Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a menu in Breezy and then play along with this menu. So we press here the plus button and then we go in this section, in this block, create your own, and now you will press this plus sign again and now you search the element menu, and once you come with that element, so your preset menu will appear here, and you can change if you have a small menu. So I just changed to a smaller one, and now you can see this is smaller in font, and you can actually choose the color and fonts the way you want to. Now I'm going here. You see, once you press, you find four options and also one setting. So we'll just go one by one. So this option is actually opening to a mega menu. I'm going to make many types of mega menu to show you how this is very much useful for you. But today I'm not going there. And here you can see the icon. I have three menus, three items in the menu. One is digital transformation, one is software solution, and another is business automation. So for each one I can choose icon. So let's say I choose from here, and you can see there is business and finance options. So that one is digital transformation. So for now, just randomly we're choosing one. Let's say I choose this one just to see what happens. And immediately you can see that on the left side of digital transformation, you can see that that icon appears. And for this one as well, if we go here and choose another one, and immediately you can see the effect. You get the icon for the second one as well. And so for the third one, we can choose another one, and we just want to see the effect. And immediately you can see there is another one. So in the menu, for every item, you can choose an icon. And now we would like this icon to be bigger. And now you can see there is size and spacing. And what is size? Size is the icon size. You see the icon size is being increased. And then spacing. What is spacing? You can see that the effect is there. Spacing means with the menu item name and the icon, you can choose the spacing, and it is very much handy. And then the text, when you go in the text, you can actually increase the size of this text, and also you can choose the color, and even you can choose the line height. So if I let's say choose 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, now you can see it's bigger. And you can also set the weight. Weight means the heaviness or the thinness of those menu items. So let's say I choose extra bold, and you can see that it has become very much bold. And so you can play around and you can see the effect immediately. So now it looks really crispy, and anybody when visits in your website, they can see it very vividly. And now this is the last one in this four options. Color. So the moment you change the color, you can see the effect. It has become red, and all of them becomes red. And also the icon is also changing with the text. Now I am showing you the last one. Last setting is the padding. So you can see the padding has four sides. That is the top padding. If I go right side, you can see a space is being created from top. And if I go here, you can see a space will be created from the bottom. And you understand that I can create the space the way I would like to. Now it has become very beautiful. Can you remember where we started? If we just go back to the video again, you can see where we started and where we end. And also if you want a background color, you can press here and choose a background color. You see, this is really interesting and interactive. Now it is very much professional. You have icon, you have you have item name, and also the background color, and maybe you have this reddish type of background throughout your page that matches your website very well. Thank you very much.